Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and I'm going to show you how to make this sweet card with the Sending Smiles bundle. This is my top flap or upside down card. I used the Basic Borders dies to create it by using this piece for the top flap. I have two pieces of cardstock. One that is your typical 11 by 4 1/4 scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. And this one was 3 1/2 by 4 1/4 scored at 1/2, and then I used the die to cut this piece. I also cut out a piece with the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. It's very eclectic, has very different designs in it, really fun. It's a pack of 48 12 by 12 sheets, and I've been wanting to use this paper. I think it's really pretty, and it's one sheet both sides. So this will be layered on top of here, and this is also about 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And then this, you turn the card upside down, will be layered on the bottom piece. And I'll just run some adhesive down the 1/2 inch side and add that to the back, and that's what creates our flap. For the front, I have the largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies, and I've already stamped all of my flowers. So I have one of these large flowers, one of these flowers, and one of those flowers. And I've already stamped a bunch of leaves as well using Old Olive and Garden Green. So I'm going to add these to the circle. I'm gonna stamp Sending in Pecan Pie. Okay, now I can just add this to the top of the card. So for the inside of the card, I'm going to stamp in Old Olive and then stamp off, and then add some more Old Olive back with a sponge dauber. And I'll do this one in this corner, and then I will stamp off and add this one in the other corner. And I'll stamp some of the flowers in Bubble Bath. I'll stamp the Sentiment in Old Olive. And the middles in Pecan Pie. Then I will just add this to the inside of the card. And last but not least, I will use one of these magnetic discs. They are available on Amazon. There's a negative side and a positive side, and there's adhesive on the back. So you just peel the backing and then you can adhere it. So then you'll just remove the backing and press it down where you want it. And there you have your top flap card. Get this card kit for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order or order the bundle using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Sending Smiles kit, and I will send it right out to you.